Hello. Hello, good evening, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to invite on stage our special guests for this evening, Mrs. Reenu Sharma and Mrs. Shri Harika. Huge round of applause. They are the admin team of Navi Mumbai Moms. Navi Mumbai Moms is one of the leading groups of Navi Mumbai. This is a group primarily comprising only of mothers. So huge round of applause for our admins representing NMM. Come on guys, huge round of applause. Team NMM, Reenu Sharma and Shri Harika. Being felicitated now by the founders of Sur Sangam, Kulbir Singh ji and Meeta Sodhi. I request you to please stay on stage for 2 minutes. I would like to say a few words. Reenu is a counseling psychologist and she has had experience working all across the globe. And she has certifications in cognitive behavior therapy, and she is also a practicing Reiki specialist. She is a grandmaster Reiki and she takes Reiki workshops as well. She also does oncology counseling at St. Jude Child Care Center. She is also working with a lot of children and cancer patients. Shri Harika has her own business of handcrafted jewelry and she is very passionate about music. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you both as chief guests. Our main cause for today is cancer donation, okay? So we have cumulatively crowdfunded and from our sponsors collected a huge sum of money for cancer donation, and I would like to thank NMM and the members of NMM. I don't know how many of you are in the audience, but a huge round of applause for coming ahead with generous donations. Meeta will tell us how much we have collected.
It is a very surprising amount for me also, because yesterday morning we started saying everybody, okay, that this is the cause and all, and we could collect from morning till evening. We could collect around rupees 2 lakh. So it was actually the way it was coming and very generously, like everybody donated. I'm really thankful to everybody. Thank you so much.
So thank you. If there is any representative from Cancer Care, please meet us backstage. We would like to connect with you. But thank you so much for coming forth with such generous donations. Huge round of applause from all of you. From social media, Facebook, हमें पता चला कि आम आदमी की ताकत क्या होती है. We generated small amounts from the common man through social media. So huge thanks, heartfelt appreciation. Thank you NMM for being with us. Thank you Reenu. Thank you Shri Harika. Thank you. As I was announcing, we did a little bit of crowdfunding, and one group from Navi Mumbai, one musical group from Navi Mumbai that has helped us very generously for crowdfunding is Pancham Swar. Can we have some noise from Pancham Swar? It is that corner there that was hooting for Assalam Ishkum. So thank you Pancham Swar, thank you Bharat Jain. Thank you so much for coming forward for this generous donation. And one more member of Sur Sangam, I would like to call Meeta on stage for this. Captain Shriju Nair, who is not present with us, but his better half, Mrs. Sindhu Nair, is with us. And I request, first of all, Meeta Sodhi to come up on stage. And warm welcome and invitation to Mrs. Sindhu Nair. Are you here? Sindhu ji, please, up stage pe aaiye. So Captain is an integral part of Sur Sangam, and I would like to invite Meeta to say a few words. Huge round of applause for the Captain's wife, the beautiful, gorgeous Mrs. Sindhu Nair, guys. So while we were doing this crowdfunding, members of Sur Sangam, yes, all the singers here have also come forward for this huge cause, which is the cause of treatment of cancer patients, underprivileged cancer patients, जिनके पास पैसे नहीं होते इलाज के लिए. उन सब के लिए आप सब आगे आए. इसके लिए ढेर सारा शुक्रिया. और huge round of applause. Sur Sangam, where is Sur Sangam singers? Thank you so much for your generous donations. So Captain, who is not here, he is sailing somewhere in the world. So he has also made a generous contribution. And we want, we want Meeta to say that. From Mrs. Indira, should I say it? Okay, it's Mrs. Indira Nair, who's Captain's mom. It was her 75th birthday. So this donation has come in auntie's name. So Talia, happy birthday to Mrs. Indira Nair. A donation of 21,000 from Mrs. Indira Nair for the cause of cancer care. Thank you, Sindhuji. Thank you. Okay, so another generous sponsor, again a couple, a very beautiful couple from Sursangam. We heard the better half or the best half sing on stage, gorgeous Anita. Gorgeous Anita and Sunil Kumar ji. Yes, and they sing for Pancham Swar. So I like this Pancham Swar वाला corner. हाँ सबसे ज़्यादा आवाज़ यहाँ से आ रही है. ये लोग सो रहे हैं, वो लोग सो रहे हैं, सब सो रहे हैं. हाँ बहुत रात हो गई क्या? Where's the Josh, guys? Come on, some noise. Woohoo! So Sunil ji and Anita ji, can we have you up on stage? Sunil Kumar, thank you for your generous sponsorship. Please run. Come on. दौड़ के आ जाइए भाग के. Where is Anita? Yeah. Okay, this beautiful couple. Okay, now Meeta ji is felicitating Sunil ji and Anita ji. Thank you so much for coming forth for this beautiful cause, the cause of cancer patients, donation that will go a long way to brighten up these lives. Next up, a very, very special gentleman, the very, very handsome Mr. Ravinder Sodhi. Mr. Ravinder Sodhi, guess who he is? He is the man behind the woman. That is the lady who's the helm of Sursangam, the director of Sursangam. Meeta Sodhi's better half, or rather best half, looking dapper and white. Come on, guys, huge round of applause for Ravinder Sodhi, SS Construction. Thank you for being our very, very generous sponsor. और एक ट्रॉफी हमारे प्यारे से क्यूटी पाए. पापा जी आ जाइए. इनके गाल मैंने खींचे थे पिछले शो में, तो बहुत डांट पड़ी थी कि मेरे को आप क्यूटी पाई क्यों बुलाते हो. पर बोलो, इनसे ज्यादा क्यूट कोई है पूरे ऑडिटोरियम में? कोई है? नहीं ना? आ जाइए पापा जी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर जनरस कंट्रीब्यूशन टू द कॉज ऑफ कैंसर पेशेंट्स वेलफेयर. सावन बिल्डर्स, मिस्टर कुलबीर सिंह. Okay, do you know the relation between them? Father and daughter. Father and daughter, guys. Good pictures here. Come on. It's a Kodak moment. And now we'll have one more gentleman. Harnam Singh ji, please, manch par aayega. And we have the full family. Ravinder ji, aap bhi aa jaye. Family photo ho jaye. Kyun nahi? Jaldi bhag ke aa jaye. So that's Meeta's brother, Harnam Singh ji. This is like Jo Bole Sone Hal. Very good. Chak de. I would just like to say, मैम, ये पूरा जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है इसका अधिकांश जो हिस्सा है क्राउड फंडिंग से आया है. आम जनता ने थोड़े पैसे धनराशि जमा करके ये किया है. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग अस दिस ऑनर. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, everyone. I am Soma Sinha, and lot of blessings from cancer patients to you.